Things are really happening in the garden. Here are some tips for success.
Have you noticed weeds in your lawn? Yates Weed'n'Feed granules will control some of the most common broadleaf lawn weeds like clover, thistles and dandelions. Available in an easy-to-use spreader, the granules promote thick, lush green growth as well, so you're ticking off 2 lawn care jobs at once. Citrus leaf miner is one of the most troublesome pests for citrus. They cause the leaves to curl and distort, and you'll also see silvery brown tunnels in the leaves as well. Once the leaves are damaged, it's permanent, so it needs to be prevented by spraying the leaves with an oil-based spray. If your indoor plants are looking a bit tired and have been in the same pot for a long time, they're probably due for a refresh. Repot into a slightly larger pot with a premium potting mix that will help promote lots of lush, healthy new growth. For more gardening tips, talk to our experts. Happy gardening!